probably wondering when I sprayed those skirtings yesterday, when I glossed those skirtings, I'll give you a bit of a look at them, show you what they look like. See there, you can see the shiny, that's from yesterday. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go along and we're going to just tape this edge along here. All these walls have been sanded and they're actually ready to roll. So we're just going to run this tape along here and that'll protect that skirting. And because it's a water-based gloss, you just can't get a finish if you brush it. And I'm going to be using a washi. I normally cut this in freehand, but this is all right. It's pretty quick to do this. Obviously, I'm not a taping man. A lot of people that tape all the time, but I don't. It's a very nice finish when it's sprayed, these skirtings.
You got me trapped inside this spell. Now I feel like your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that.
This is what you want to achieve. You want to have it wet all the way through. So basically, that's what you need to be able to do. If you can't do that, you're going to have to change your system a little bit. Otherwise, you're going to end up with real patchiness in your walls, especially walls that have a light at the end. This one here, for example, has that light out there called a glancing light. That's the one that's going to give you problems. Probably this one here too. But, you know, just try and keep them wet. Plenty of paint on that roller and keep it wet. Okay. Now the roller I'm using is a 12mm lamb's wool from Dulux. This has done about 4 houses, this sleeve here. It's really starting to wear down a bit now. So I've just finished these rooms here. All this is finished. So it's all ready for the tiler now. Look at that wall. Isn't that absolutely stunning? That is so beautiful. Seriously, that is bloody nice. Yeah, that's them. Look at that. Very impressive. Now for the good part. Check this out. Doesn't that look good? I love it, keep going. we're just about ready to put our final coat on these walls. Now they're looking pretty bloody good. So what we need to do is just to give them another light sand down. They already had one sand down, but we're going to give them another light sand down, and we're just going to use this pole sander here. So that's her, and the reason for that is when we put that other coat on, you can leave little lumps in your paint, and that can be causing your walls won't be perfect. Now we want to try and get this perfect, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to give this another little sand down. It's a light little sand. I can feel a couple of little lumps in there, and that just takes them out. On budget homes you wouldn't actually sand this second time, but on more expensive paint with a better quality sheen, you know, little couple of dollars extra a square metre, it's well worth doing it, and you're going to end up with a really, really nice, beautiful wall. Doesn't have to be hard, just a nice light little one. Now you can get a bit of stuff around the power points, so don't forget to sand around them, because you'll get stuff that comes out of the power points and that sticks to the paint. And that's actually probably a reason why we get a little bit of foreign stuff on here, because it will pick up some stuff out of here and then transfer it on the wall, on the painting. That's it. So simple, but it's going to make so much difference, so much nicer difference. Now these walls are all finished. They're all finished, looking pretty good. They've had 3 coats on them, 1 undercoat and 2 wash and wear.
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can see